Hello and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is dedicated to all things hair. I'm going to start this video with an unboxing of the GISOU hair oil and hair mask, and then I'm gonna share with you some genius tips for keeping your hair frizz-free. A little fact about me before we start the video: I have crazy frizzy hair and it's sort of curly, sort of light texture. So for reference, I thought I would include a short clip showing my hair texture here, which will help you understand where I'm coming from. The reason I ordered these GISOU products was because I've been trying for a few months now to transition to wearing my hair natural or without any heat styling. As someone with frizzy curly hair, that is definitely a hard task, especially if you still have to look polished and put together for an office job. I heard that these products are great for fighting frizz, so I'm excited to try them out and see if the $90 price tag is worth it. I hope that you have as much fun watching this video as I did unboxing these packages. First up, we have the GISOU hair oil. This is the 100mm size and it retails for $86 on their website. And I do recommend buying from their original website because the only other place where you can buy them is Revolve, and the price there is $90 for some reason. So Revolve, please fix that. And the packaging, definitely Instagram worthy. Beautiful pink gold. The texture is really nice. It would be such a nice gift for any girl or woman in your life. When you open it, the first thing you see is this book/journal. It has a lot of information about the brand, the product, the founder. It tells you how to use the product. I really love that they included this. I think this is a great addition, especially when you're buying such an expensive luxury hair oil. The actual hair oil comes in this glass bottle, and the way you dispense it is through a pipette, or a dropper as some people call it. As you can see, I'm just showing you the size of the bottle. I think this is gonna last me for months, so I think the price was definitely worth it. When you open it, the room is just filled with this sort of flowery, sweet honey scent. I absolutely love it. And my boyfriend actually complimented the scent a lot, so definitely a yes from the guys. Next up, we have the GISOU hair mask. This retails for approximately $64 on their original website, and it comes in a very similar packaging to the hair oil, except the box is obviously a little bit smaller, but still that pink and gold and the texture, very beautiful. The actual hair mask comes in a glass jar, and the size is really big. Actually looks a little bigger than most of my usual hair masks, so this is definitely gonna last a long time. And the way that they suggest to use it is you put it in your hair after shampooing it for about 5 minutes and then wash it out. But I know another way, which is even better, is to put it in your hair before going to work out, keep it in your hair for an hour or two, and then wash it out when you shower after the workout. Your hair is gonna feel like silk after that. Now onto my genius hair tips that will keep your hair frizz-free. Tip number 1, avoid breakage. In order to do that, you want to invest in a good hairbrush. I use one from Akakapa and I'll link it down below, but basically make sure that it's made from good materials and it fits the type of hair you have. If you have thin hair, make sure it's more of a thick brush that's gonna give you volume, and if you have curly hair, then you want a detangling hairbrush. And then hair ties, you want to make sure that they're not going to pull out your hair. So I like to use Invisibobbles, or you can use these silk hair ties and they never pull your hair and leave you with no kink. My tip number 2, don't wash your hair too often. When you wash your hair very often, then it becomes even more oily. So I wash my hair only twice a week, and in between, if I work out or just get a little oily and smelly, I use some dry shampoo. This one has a really nice perfume built in, so it makes my hair smell nice and look nice in between my washes. And this will make sure that your hair stays healthy. My tip number 3, when you do wash your hair, take care of it. When our hair is wet, it's at its most fragile state, so it's very prone to breakage. Therefore, I like to put up my hair into a microfiber towel or turban. As you can see, I got mine for really cheap on Amazon, so you don't need to buy one of those expensive ones in Sephora. It basically is better for your hair than a cotton towel because it reduces frizz and it absorbs water faster. After it absorbs some water, I let my hair air dry instead of using any sort of heat products, because this is much healthier for your hair, it's not gonna burn it or cause any split ends. And then finally, when I do go to sleep, I like to sleep on a silk or satin pillowcase because once again, cotton causes frizz. My fourth tip for having frizz-free hair is use a hair serum. That's right, us frizzy girls, we need all the help we can get, and the serum acts to bring moisture into your hair. Unlike oil, which usually sits on top and makes it shiny for a while, this actually works over time to heal your hair. I'm using this one from Reverie, which is an all-natural Californian brand. My final tip, lock it in with an oil and prep your hair. I personally use the Moroccanoil hair treatment for I think more than a year. I ran out of like 2 or 3 bottles, and now that I'm done with this last one, I'm moving on to GISOU hair oil just to try something new, but I definitely recommend Moroccanoil for any of the frizzy girls out there. Then prep your hair. If you are gonna do heat styling, please don't burn your hair and put some heat protectant in. Otherwise, you're just gonna end up with more frizz. Thank you so much for watching my channel. I really hope that you learned something new today, and if you did, make sure to click that like button and subscribe to my channel. I really appreciate your support. Thank you!